I want to win at everything I do. And I definitely think we won on this project. I think doing great designs is not being afraid to fail. I like to push the envelope because I know I'm going to win some of these. I try to make everything I touch look faster. If I can make it look faster, then I've succeeded. It's what I live for. Polaris gave me this opportunity and super thrilled. It's fun to work with a beautiful vehicle to start with. I want to go out and drive it.
Introducing the all-new RZR Pro R and RZR 200. Troy Lee Designs limited editions from Polaris.